I tried DeFi Saver Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first opened the DeFi Saver Wallet app, I thought it was just another tool for decentralized finance. But after 7 days, the shocking truth is that DeFi Saver isn't just a wallet, it's an automation powerhouse for DeFi investors who want total control over their money. On day 1, setup was straightforward. I connected my existing wallet, and instantly, I had access to protocols like Auth, Compound and MakeOrder. But what caught my attention wasn't the interface, it was the automation. DeFi Saver can manage your collateral, loans and liquidations automatically. On day 2, I experimented with the smart saving feature. I supplied DAI into a yield protocol, and DeFi Saver tracked everything: rates, gas fees, and risk levels in real time. Most people get this wrong, but this app isn't just for experts. The dashboard simplifies complex DeFi actions into a few clicks. Midweek, I tested the automation system. I set a rule to protect my Maker Vault if it dropped below a certain price. Normally, you'd have to monitor that manually, but DeFi Saver executed it automatically, saving my position without me lifting a finger. By day 5, I used their boost and repay functions to adjust leverage in one transaction. No manual swaps, no multiple approvals, just instant efficiency. It's like having a personal DeFi manager built into your wallet. By day 7, I realized the shocking truth: DeFi Saver isn't about storage, it's about strategy. It gives users tools once reserved for professional traders: automation, optimization, and full protocol control, all inside one interface. If you're serious about decentralized finance, this app is a game changer. It doesn't just hold your crypto, it works for you. DeFi Saver is proof that the future of finance isn't just decentralized. It's automated, intelligent, and already here.